How to fix the iMessage and iCloud not matching problem on iPhone, iPad and on Mac. 1. Tap settings greater than your name, and you will see your Apple ID under your name. Take a note of this Apple ID. 2. Now we will check the iMessage Apple ID. On your device, go to settings greater than messages greater than send and receive. Find your Apple ID. It is located at the bottom, and it may be a little difficult to find because it is smaller. Ensure that your Apple ID emails match. 3. If you see different Apple ID emails, then sign out and sign in again using the same Apple ID. To sign out of iMessage, again go to settings greater than messages greater than send and receive and tap your Apple ID, and then select sign out. To fix the iMessage and iCloud sync problem on Mac. 1. Click the Apple menu and go to System Preferences greater than Apple ID. Find your Apple ID, which is located on the left side of the window, under your name. 2. Now open the Messages app on your Mac. Click on Messages in the menu bar at the top of your screen and select Preferences. Now click the iMessage tab. Find your Apple ID. Are your iMessage Apple ID and iCloud Apple ID the same? If not, sign out of iMessage. Click the Sign Out button.